Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we vlogged, so we're gonna make this a really good vlog. Already had 2 matchas, probably only needed 1. Now we need to hydrate. You know the drill. Element, current obsession, favorite flavor is the lemonade salt. My friends over the weekend were like, I'm so mad at you. You got me like addicted to Element and now I can't stop buying it. And I was like, would I ever steer you wrong? The lemonade is just top tier. It is too good. And we have a heat wave going through Chicago right now, so we really need to stay hydrated. 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams potassium, 60 milligrams magnesium, no sugar. We don't need any junk. It's everything that you need, nothing that you don't. A science-backed formula. Olympians love it, aka people just like me. When you sweat, you need to replenish your electrolytes. The first thing you lose is sodium, hence why we stay salty with Element. It's like actually shocking that there's no sugar in here because it tastes so good. This helps me keep my like adrenal functions high, not get as chronic fatigued, chronic muscle cramping, headaches, all that stuff. My holy grail. But make sure to go to drinkelement.com/LaurenElizabeth because you're gonna get those 8 free sample packs of their best-selling flavors. And for me, that's 8 free days of Element. So drink Lauren Elizabeth, drinkelement.com/LaurenElizabeth. That's where you wanna go. Feels like a Monday, but it's Tuesday. You can see on my face that like my melasma has gotten so bad. I got it postpartum, so that's like almost what, 2 years ago now. You guys know I'm obsessed with like sunscreen and everything like that, but I just feel like I don't know why it's gotten so much worse. I saw a picture of me from last summer and definitely worse. So I'm gonna go get some more Moxie laser today because I do the BBL and the Moxie, but the Moxie is for like skin texture and melasma, whereas the BBL you can't put on melasma. It'll make it worse, so we don't. But then also I've been traveling for most of June, but then this trip the past week was really long in Florida and I was just sweating, wearing makeup. There was one day where I like couldn't find my sunscreen, so I was just using the sunscreen that they had at the pool. And so I feel like really congested and just really yucky. So I'm gonna go to Beautifully New. I've been texting Nina and I think we're gonna do laser and facials just to like really reset my skin. I'm also getting the home improvement bug again, even though I think it's just because I'm really over wedding planning, even though we still fully are planning a wedding. But I really feel like redoing the bedroom. I kind of redid this little toy corner over here. It's nothing special. It's basically just 2 bins from Target, and then we got this cute little like soft play furniture. Oh, also if you want 4th of July hats for all of your suburban outings, you can go to shoplaurenelizabeth.com. What? We have some fun 4th of July plans too. But look how cute this is. It's like a couch, so we have half of it upstairs. And then we make Olive like a little like obstacle course. Isn't it so cute? They have so many fun patterns and stuff. So I'll link it down below. But I liked this one for the vibes in here. And then this is basically my solution to not having toys all right here, is just having a place to put them. And then I just moved her table back a little bit. Nice. We made the best salad ever last night. It's from the Wishbone Kitchen cookbook and I can't stop thinking about it. It's her big Greek salad and it's like all green. It literally doesn't have dressing. It's just a splash of red wine vinegar and olive oil because it is that good. It literally doesn't need dressing. I can't stop thinking about it. Look at this. It's so freaking good. Get it. So I basically took yesterday off because it was the first time I've been like literally alone in well over like a week and a half, and I just needed to like literally be in peace and quiet yesterday and reset, and now we're back to it. I feel like I have so many like little random things to do, like the annoying stuff, just like pay bills and like organize things, but then I also like want to film and talk to you guys, and that stuff's boring. So like what a beautiful way to procrastinate, you know? I'm not gonna do my skincare this morning because I'm gonna go see Nina like I said, so I'm just gonna get dressed, clean up, and then I'll pay my bills. I'm gonna link this for you guys on Amazon. It's a Dyson, a fake Dyson. It's a little short. It was like under $200 and it's just a great little handheld vacuum. I've had it for over a month now and I think I can safely recommend. I will say the skincare has been skinning. As I'm walking around the house, picking up, I'm like remembering other things that I have to do. And as I'm saying that, I just forgot all of them. What were they? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this will have to do. little one piece action. Honestly, when I wear a one piece like this, I feel like a little exposed. I think just because it's like a little low. So sometimes I just put a tank top over it. Not me layering for a heat wave. I don't know, I think it looks cute because then it's like really like high-waisted. I don't know. Easy does it. Could hospitals literally make it like any more difficult to pay bills? Like, you might be thinking, Lauren, it's really not that difficult to pay hospital bills or medical bills. A lot of people don't know this, but I have 4 names on my ID. I always say my fun fact is that I'm adopted because I literally am. So I have my stepdad's last name, my last name, my middle name. And it just makes everything so complicated because some stuff is under just one last name and then some stuff is under the other. And then my daughter has a different last name than me, so like I can't get our charts to connect. Doesn't recognize my 2 last names. I don't know. It's just, all in all, it's annoying. Also, this is a sample of a new product that's not completely done. This is for my haters that are like, it took you a year to make a rock pillbox. Yeah, because you get samples and they don't work. Like this is not ready for production. So then this is the 2nd round of samples. So we're still working on it, but it's gonna be a good one. What was I doing? Got my face absolutely beat. We decided not to do lasers since I'm going to South Carolina in a week and I'm gonna be in the sun again. So we did like a peel instead. So like it's gonna bring a lot of the pigment to the surface and then hopefully make it go away. But my skin just felt so disgusting. So I was like literally just dermaplane and extract the shit out of it. Like I want new skin. So that's what we did. All the ingredients, obviously, to make that salad last night, we just inhaled the leftovers. So I just went ahead and chopped up basically all the other ingredients to make another batch. And then I just used a bowl that's too small. We're not gonna eat this as like our main tonight, but we might have like it as like a little side salad or like add it in. We're gonna do just our usual like turkey bowls. Love doing like a turkey bowl for dinner, but I feel like sometimes you have to switch it up a little bit. Genius, lid, bowl, love. But lately I just haven't been liking like the ground, because the ground turkey gets so fine that I like having like the patty for like more hearty bites. And then I feel like it also kind of enhances the flavor and it just makes the turkey a little bit juicier. So what I do, 3 pounds of turkey, and then Olive likes this kind of like mac and cheese situation. It's tough because like my favorite thing ever is picking her up from school because she's just like so excited to see you. It's like the best feeling in the world. But I also like getting ahead on dinner so that I can like hang out with her when she gets home and that she can eat right away. So I had Matt go grab her since I've been in the car for a while. Anyway, all I do for a turkey patty is an egg, garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, salt, pepper, just like any like seasonings you like, because turkey is just like so plain and boring. I feel like I actually get dumber when I start recording myself cooking. BRB. Gorgeous. Are you hungry? You wanna eat some food? You wanna sit down? Wednesday, which means no childcare, but I had a doctor's appointment. My mother-in-law came over to watch the girl. I got stuff. I think I'm gonna make enchiladas. I haven't run this by Matt yet. Like I said, I like to switch up like the turkey that we do. So you've seen us do the sweet potato nachos. So that's like option number 2 if he doesn't go for the enchiladas, but clearly I got cheese. Then I got these like chickpea flour tortillas, siete enchilada sauce. So all you do is like make the siete taco mix with the ground turkey, and then you like roll them all up, cover it in sauce, cover it in cheese, and then stick it in the oven. That's still really healthy. But I got a sweet potatoes for the side. Always happens is like we get groceries for like enough for like a few days, and then we go grocery shopping again like midweek, because I don't know, I feel like we're just indecisive. Also, I'm texting my girlfriends right now because my girlfriend needed a gift idea for her husband. It's like their anniversary, and she was like, I didn't know we were doing gifts. I need like a last minute like good gift. And I was like, okay, here are the last 3 things I got Matt. Leatherology watch holder is one of the top things I've gotten him. Pieces from Aloe, because I feel like Aloe is always like elevated kind of like streetwear athleisure, so like you can like wear it out. So I got him some cool like nude toned like shorts and stuff like that, and like a shirt. Good Ranchers. This is not sponsored. I want it to be. Such a good gift. The girls are like, wait, oh my God, like we're all copying. So good. But basically you don't have to subscribe to it. You can just get like a box. And so I got him, I think it was like the cowboy box. And then my friend just sent, she's gonna get, it's called the Grilling Essentials. And then she added seed oil free chicken nuggets LOL. But it really, like, it comes in like such good packaging. We have like all of it in the freezer. It was a couple $100s, but for so much meat, at least 50% cheaper than going to the grocery store. And it's like a really substantial part, like good looking gift. So that's my little real life influencing of the day. Matt wanted chipotles. He's gonna make some kind of spicy sauce, guac, because I don't feel like making it. And sometimes I just prefer it pre-made. The girl actually eats these and I've been meaning to grab them. And if I made grocery lists, I probably wouldn't forget. I was also literally dying because I forgot my element at home, as you can see. So we gotta finish this. I've been really liking these half days. Shout out to Macy Thompson. She did a brand deal with them and I saw it. It says a new era of iced tea and I'm like obsessed with iced tea. I usually drink the yerba mate ones, but obviously those have caffeine in them. So I was like, wait, this is perfect. Because like I want a little treat, but I don't want to be over caffeinated. And then these are my obsession. It's the Hue Simple milk chocolate, because then I can have milk chocolate and not feel like I'm like eating something like so nasty. It has no refined sugars, no sugar alcohols, no cane sugar, no lectins, and it's grass-fed milk chocolate. It is so good. More avocado and limes, and then I finally got my car washed. It's only 3:45, so I just have to do, I have a lot of like editing stuff I have to do. I got a lot of notes, like feedback from some Instagram stuff I have due. Oh, this is the one I'm drinking right now. It's the lemon iced tea. It's so good. And I think it says 3 grams of sugar and prebiotics in it. But honestly, I just think it tastes good. Olive is outside riding her bike. My skin feels so much better after getting the facial yesterday. One thing you can invest in besides like your hair, if you're a girly like me that has to like get their hair done, you're not blessed with like virgin hair. Oh my God, your skin, like even if you have good skin, still getting like facials and lasers, it's like a game changer. Like it's a game changer. It's crazy. But skincare, I've realized how important it is. So like actually doing my skincare religiously morning and night, washing my face twice, double cleansing, game changer. But it was so congested and gross. I had like, now I feel like a fresh angel baby. I feel disgusting because I had a Costco muffin and mac and cheese for lunch because I told my mother-in-law to stop bringing that stuff over to my house because I'll eat it. So she was like, look, I didn't bring the whole pack. I only brought 1 muffin per person. I was like, well, I'm gonna eat it. All 3 of them probably. They're so good. This is my new prized possession. It's a mini iPad. It was probably the most unnecessary thing, but I just felt like my other iPad was too big. Like I love having the iPad, but I know it's like not that much bigger than my phone. But I, like for traveling, oh my God, loved it. And I have the pencil with it so I can like do stuff. I just feel like it's the best. I don't know what else I was gonna say. Okay, it ended up being an enchilada bake because the siete tortillas are so hard to roll and they're just really small. So I just like did layers, almost kind of like a lasagna, but it looks amazing. And then sweet potatoes, so we'll see how it is. I'm gonna do a little bedroom reset. I just cleaned out my nightstand. I just found an entire filled thing of Mucinex, which is great. A bajillion cords. So I'm just gonna put these all in like a Ziploc. The irony of this is that there's a tripod right behind me that we could be using, but we're not going to. This is a downstairs problem. I also just filled up my pill case. It's my magnesium and my antidepressants. Gotta love it. Pre-order available right now.
Well, and she just seems like a girly, so I like her. Handsome and tall, yeah. Good morning, girlies, it's the toast. I don't know what it is, but I kind of like it and want to appropriate it. Like
thunderstorming outside, like looks way lighter than it is. But I'm wearing, I don't know why I look so red. I'm wearing my Paige de Sorbo pajama line, Daphne. And then these like little Daphne shorts. It is so comfy. It is so cute. I just walked out to show Matt and he was like, oh my gosh, you could like wear that out. And I was like, that's what she said. That's the whole point. The girls that get it, get it. Had an amazing evening, did my skincare, did my body care. Oh my God, we've been waiting for rain all week and it's finally here. So I'm gonna snuggle up in my cozy, fresh made bed, my new jammies. I tried to watch Love Island and honestly, you guys, like, I just can't do it. Like I can watch it in clips on TikTok, but like it is really hard to watch. It is so dumb. Like, I'm sorry. But the new show, The Waterfront on Netflix is really good, but we don't watch that till Matt's done with his me time. This is my me time. Do a little scroll, watch a little FBI. I also finally got influenced enough. I got that like Nello calm drink. Let's see. It's really yummy. It's really sweet. I see it on like TikTok shop stuff all the time, but then I actually saw it in Target. Eli Rayo, I don't know how to say her last name, but why is my phone ringing? Hello?
Hi, lady.
Hi, I'm good. How are you? You scared me for a second because it was storming and I was like, oh my God, is she okay? Anyway, it was one of my bridesmaids. She's also getting married in a couple weeks. So she was just talking seating arrangements. I was like, oh my God, queen. Anyway, what I was saying is Eli said that she actually really, really liked this and it like made her like actually fall asleep. And usually I take those like early bird CBD gummies and I love them, but I actually only have like 2 left and I saw this at Target. So I'll probably let you know how this goes in the morning, or this is the last clip of the vlog. I don't know yet, but either way, cheers.